Hey guys, how's it going? This is Danish here from Tech Middle East, and today we saw the launch of the Flip 4, Samsung's fourth iteration of their vertically flipping device. Here's everything you need to know about the relatively new Flip 4 in under 2 minutes. The first thing you need to know is that the phone comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus processor. Performance is blazing fast, and most importantly, there is a new 512GB storage option. Before we go any further, a like to the video and a sub to the channel would be highly appreciated. Unlike its elder sibling, the Fold 4, the Flip 4 did not get the S22 camera treatment. Here, all we have is an updated 12-megapixel f1.8 aperture sensor, which allows in more light and, well, I guess we hope it takes better pictures, but the rest of the camera remains unchanged. One little neat update that we do have is portrait mode that is now available on the outside of the device. Used it with the little trial we had and absolutely loved that little feature. One feature I used to love on the previous Flip is the flex mode. Using the phone while it's somewhat folded in order to shoot yourself was absolutely fantastic, and now you can do the same with Instagram Reels and other apps like that. The phone is a bit thinner, the protrusion on the hinge is lesser. On the overall, the phone feels pretty much the way the Flip 3 did. One thing about the body to be super excited about is Samsung's Bespoke Edition. Now, thanks to multiple colors for the top, the bottom, as well as the edges, you can have 75 variations where you can choose from and customize your Flip to your liking. One upgrade on the Flip 4 that I'm super excited for is the fact that the battery is now up to 3700 milliamps. With the processor and this new battery, I hope the Flip 4 becomes a more than all-day device. Last but not least, the display on the Flip 4 is still 120Hz but now goes as low as 1Hz, which is a welcome change. What do you think about the Flip 4? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.